Hi, this is Jason here in my backyard in Las Vegas, Nevada on February 17th, 2010. It's a beautiful day, getting temperatures up into the mid to upper 60s. We're having low temperatures at night around the low 40s to upper 30s. It's currently about 11 o'clock and we have 65 degree air temperature approximately with humidity right around 26%. I'm running my Solarium 105,000 BTU heat and cool heat pump, which is working fantastic. A unique feature of this heater compared to a lot of other brands is that you actually have water pipes coming out what I consider the back of the heater, in and out, and the digital display is on the other side of the heater on the front. Usually most heaters have the water pipes and the digital in the same spot. This makes a very nice, unique installation for a lot of customers where they don't want to have the digital where they're going to control the heater right over the water pipes, which can sometimes get in the way. I want to come down here under this protective board that I have installed, which kind of protects my camera, electrical box, and a light that I have here. The camera is used to monitor the temperatures on our heater to see how well it's doing and put it on the website for customers to check out. What I want to zoom in on here, everybody should be able to see this pretty well, hopefully in the video. The temperature display on the heater is a red LED, and sometimes it comes out on the camera like it's flashing and rotating, and that is not the way it looks from here, but the camera picks that up on the digital screen. So it's a nice, steady, constant temperature reading. It says heat, and then it flashes over to the current temperature of the pool, which is 80.7 right now. I have these external thermometers hooked up here, as you can see, and we've got 81.1 degree water going in, and water coming out at 84.0. So the heater is instantly adding 2.9 degrees, almost 3 degrees of heat to the water, with an air temperature going in at 87.3. That's from a sensor I have mounted on the side of the heater. I have another sensor mounted up on top, which is reading the cool air that's coming out of the fan. Go back down here and check this out. We've got air temperature coming out at 61.2. So the heater's removing about 6.5 degrees of heat from the air instantly and putting 3 degrees of that heat into the water. Very efficient setup. I put a multimeter on this to read how many amps it's drawing, and it was only around 17 amp draw running on a 240 volt system. It's a very efficient heat pump. This is rated at a 6.3 COP, which is one of the highest you can find on the market. I also have something neat that I just installed, which is the first time I've ever taken a video of this. I bought and purchased a digital flow meter. Put my hand over here so it can hopefully read the temperature, the gallon per minute there. We've got 43 gallons per minute going through, which is a pretty neat system. So when my filter gets dirty, this flow meter tells me how much the gallons per minute have gone down into the 30s and 20s, and it gives you a good indication of when you should change your filter and how much heat you're getting out of your heater based on your gallons per minute. I also have my Nature 2 cartridge system mineralizer right here. These are fantastic. I replace this about once every 6 months. This cartridge unscrews, and this allows me to keep my pool with about 5 times less chlorine in it than I used to with tablets. The water's much softer, nicer on the skin. You don't have to use nearly as much chlorine, and saves me a lot of money. So this is a pretty neat little setup I've got. I just kind of wanted to share this with everybody and show everyone how well the Solarium works out here in this climate. With temperatures like this, I'm keeping the pool in the 80s. No problem. I have a blanket on the water right now, but I do take that off in the afternoon sometimes to enjoy the pool and to clean it. The rest of the time I kind of leave it on this time of year because the nights are still getting pretty cool down into the low 40s and such. The heater's only been running, I'd say 5 to 7 hours a day recently, with high temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. Only running 5, 6, 7 hours a day is keeping the pool in the low 80s. I keep it around 82 or 83, and it's working fantastic. This unit also does a great job here in the summertime on my pool to go into the cooling mode and drop it down when the water gets up in the 90s. I set this thing to keep the pool at about 85. Comes on a few hours every afternoon and keeps the pool perfect. If you have any questions about this heater, please contact our website at poolheatpumps.com. We'd be glad to tell you more about it and go over all the details and options. This is a fantastic, quiet unit. Has a train compressor and is also a titanium heat exchanger, which is lifetime guaranteed against corrosion. Top quality unit. We sell a lot of these all over the country. Everybody's very happy with them, and we appreciate you watching our videos. and taking a chance to look at this. Have a great day.